Welcome to my YouTube channel, and what we will be talking about is the bike.
The Yamaha R15 has long been a favorite among motorcycle enthusiasts, particularly for those who seek the thrill of sport bike performance in a compact and accessible package. Now, with the introduction of the 2025 Yamaha R15 V5, Yamaha takes this iconic model to new heights, offering enhanced features, improved performance, and refined design. But what makes this iteration special? Let's take a deep dive into everything the 2025 Yamaha R15 V5 has to offer. The R15 V5 continues to embody Yamaha's commitment to innovation, performance, and style. Whether you're an entry-level rider or a seasoned enthusiast, the 2025 R15 V5 offers something for everyone. Cutting-edge technology, track-worthy performance, and a design that looks as fast as it rides. From the very first glance, it's clear that the 2025 Yamaha R15 V5 means business. The bike's aerodynamic design is more aggressive than ever, with sharp lines and sculpted bodywork that not only enhance its visual appeal, but also improve its performance on the road and track. The new LED headlamp offers better illumination while adding to the bike's futuristic aesthetic. Yamaha's signature R-Series design language is on full display, with angular fairings and a streamlined fuel tank that not only look stunning, but also contribute to the bike's aerodynamics. The lightweight frame, combined with a sleek, aggressive look, gives the R15 V5 an unmistakable road presence. The 2025 model comes in a variety of striking colors, from bold blues to matte blacks, each enhancing the bike's sporty and aggressive vibe. The paint quality is top-notch, ensuring the R15 V5 not only rides well, but also stands out wherever you take it. Powering the 2025 Yamaha R15 V5 is a 155 cubic centimeters, liquid-cooled, single-cylinder engine. While it may sound like a small engine, don't let its size fool you. The R15 V5 produces an impressive 18.6 horsepower and 14.1 Nm of torque, giving it more than enough power for thrilling rides on both the street and track. The engine's performance is smooth and responsive, providing instant throttle response. Whether you're cruising at city speeds or pushing the bike to its limits on twisty mountain roads, the R15 V5 feels nimble and agile, with plenty of power on tap for quick overtakes and fast corner exits. When it comes to handling, the 2025 Yamaha R15 V5 doesn't disappoint. The R15 is known for its excellent chassis and lightweight frame, which allow for exceptional maneuverability. Combined with a well-tuned suspension setup, it offers precise handling whether you're navigating tight city streets or ripping through curves at the racetrack. The rear features a link-type suspension system, which keeps the ride comfortable while ensuring that the bike maintains stability under hard cornering or braking. Whether you're pushing the limits or riding leisurely, the suspension absorbs bumps well, ensuring that the bike stays planted and predictable. The 2025 Yamaha R15 V5 is packed with the latest tech, making it not just a great bike to ride, but also a connected experience. The digital instrument cluster provides a wealth of information at a glance, from speed and RPM to gear position and fuel economy. The R15 V5 features multiple riding modes, including a track mode for those who want the most aggressive performance, and a street mode that provides a more relaxed ride for everyday use. Whether you're on a racetrack or in city traffic, the bike adapts to your needs. Additionally, the R15 V5 features a traction control system, TCS, that helps maintain stability when the bike is accelerating in low-grip conditions. This gives riders the confidence to push the bike without worrying about losing traction. Although the Yamaha R15 V5 is a performance-oriented sport bike, Yamaha has ensured that comfort isn't sacrificed. The aggressive, yet practical riding posture is ideal for short to medium-distance rides and track sessions. The handlebar is positioned to allow for a natural grip, with just enough reach to keep the rider in a sporty but relaxed stance. The seat is designed with comfort in mind, featuring a slightly contoured design that supports the rider's posterior during long rides. The seat offers enough padding to ensure that the rider doesn't feel fatigued, even on longer journeys. However, It's still firm enough to offer support during spirited riding or at high speeds. When navigating city traffic, the ergonomics of the R15 V5 keep the rider comfortable. The foot pegs are positioned in a way that provides a natural bend to the legs, which helps reduce strain during prolonged urban rides. The lightweight nature of the bike also ensures that it's easy to maneuver at low speeds. Another aspect where the Yamaha R15 V5 excels is fuel efficiency. With its 155 cubic centimeters engine, the R15 V5 strikes the perfect balance between performance and economy. The bike's fuel tank holds 11 liters, giving it a practical range for daily commuting or long rides. When it comes to the 150 cubic centimeters sport bike segment, the competition is fierce. But the Yamaha R15 V5 stands out for its combination of performance, technology, and style. While bikes like the KTM RC 125 and Honda CBR 150 are offered good performance, the R15 V5 brings advanced features like its digital instrument cluster, Y-Connect app integration, and superior handling that elevate it above many of its rivals. The Yamaha R15 V5 is positioned as a premium offering in the segment, offering track-ready performance while still being affordable for the average enthusiast. Whether you're a beginner looking for your first sports bike or an experienced rider wanting a fun and agile machine, the R15 V5 checks all the boxes. The true magic of the Yamaha R15 V5 comes to life when you ride it. With its lightweight frame and responsive handling, the R15 V5 feels nimble and agile. Whether you're carving through tight corners or cruising on open highways, the R15 V5 delivers a highly engaging riding experience. Owning the Yamaha R15 V5 is a rewarding experience, not only for the performance, but also for the relatively low cost of ownership. Yamaha has built the R15 V5 with reliability in mind. The bike has minimal maintenance needs and offers excellent durability, making it a smart choice for long-term ownership. Routine maintenance, such as oil changes and brake pad replacements, is straightforward and affordable. Yamaha's extensive service network ensures that parts are easily accessible and service intervals are convenient. Plus, with Yamaha's reputation for reliability, you can trust that your R15 V5 will serve you well for years to come. So, what makes the 2025 Yamaha R15 V5 a standout in the sport bike segment? It's the perfect blend of performance, cutting-edge technology, and style. Whether you're a beginner seeking a sport bike with an accessible price tag or a seasoned rider looking for a fun and agile machine, the Yamaha R15 V5 delivers. With its modern design, top-tier technology, and impressive performance, the 2025 Yamaha R15 V5 is set to continue the legacy of one of Yamaha's most beloved motorcycles. It's the bike that makes every ride feel like a celebration of speed, agility, and passion,